my last example for the short demo, emails. And quite often, I mean, we are writing important business emails. So I think it's very important that that's a good language and no typos. And let's do an example here. So again, here is the AI assistant integrated. So if I create a new email. Imagine you had a call with a client or with a lead in sales, for example, and you made some notes, right? You made some notes, and at the end of the call, you say, hey, Mike, I'll send you a summary, and then we can follow up from there. And what we can do here, we can become lazy, right? What we can do is we just have our meeting notes, or I'll just type in very quick and dirty my comments. So I just do it now from a pasting because I don't want to waste your time looking at my screen how I type in, or maybe I use even the voice recognition of Windows, so I can just talk there, and then it has this very basic text that doesn't sound very business-like. Yeah, here's, as promised, timeline, and there are many probably typos in, and there's, yeah, it's just a very short draft, which took me a few seconds, or maybe I just did those notes during the call. I can now select that and run my AI assistant. And again here, just to show you the power, I might have a cool prompt for that, but in this case, I would say, I don't have a prompt yet. I create one. I say, hey, what needs to happen with this email? Formulate this email, because it's just like some keyword, some short words, and because it's a business context, use formal language, make it sound like a proper email. And now let's AI do it. And you see here it changes from hi Mike to dear Mike. I'm writing to from providing a brief summary. The project line, please confirm if the schedule aligns with the expectations or not. Kindly confirm it either. You see, it's a very formal language. Of course, it's just because I put the word formal in, but you have full control, and depending on your relationship with your client or lead, you can decide what kind of style you want. I think it depends on the context. But now if I like that, again, I could just favorite this for next time, so I can be really quick in my summary and let AI do the rest of the work. I accept it, and I have a perfect email that I can just send out now. So yeah, I think that's it in a nutshell. So it's really, I think, designed, and you saw that with the before after. It's really very intuitive, easy to use software, comes at a very low price, and it brings AI to every employee in your corporation and makes it really accessible. And I think as a result, as we've seen in the BCG study, you can expect a lot of productivity gains and higher quality in the outputs.